Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at one of these maintenance kit for your weed whacker, and to be more specific, your STIHL FS 120, 200 series and 250, and I think it works on different ones, but I can't recall them right now. And this is your basic maintenance kit, and it's not an original kit. I mean, I got this for probably 20 bucks, which is way less than you would pay for it if you got it from the STIHL dealers. And let's take a look at it before I actually put this on my weed whacker. I have an FS1, I believe it FS 200, and here you got your air filter, and you got your spark plug, an actual carburetor, which is the main thing that normally goes bad on these weed whacker after a while, especially if you store them with fuel. And all these things are for it. You got some fuel lines, and all that's for the fuel. And there, look, you got some primer bulb and different things, and it's all gas. And these things work. I've never had a problem with putting on any one of these things. And even if you don't use something from here, you'll probably end up using it later on. So might as well buy the whole kit. And like I said, it's under 20 bucks. And I think that's about it. You know, if you want to find out more about different or common problems that may be affecting your weed whacker, I'll leave a link in below where I have an article and where I talk about common engine problems or two-stroke engine problems. So that's about it, and I will probably be doing another video where I set up this, but no promises. So until next time, and I hope this video was useful to at least a few of you folks. Bye.